Do you always wonder where your salary disappears every month? The problem isn't your income, it's your spending. That's why today, I'm breaking down the famous 50-30-20 budgeting rule, a simple system to finally control your money. Welcome to Smart Money Path, your guide to personal finance made simple. If you want to learn how to manage, save, and grow your money, hit the subscribe button and join our growing community today. Step 1. What is the 50-30-20 rule? This budgeting formula helps you divide your income into 3 clear categories: 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% savings and debt repayment. Step 2. 50% needs are things you can't live without: rent, utilities, food, transport, basic bills. The essentials that keep life running. Step 3. 30% wants. Wants are non-essentials: eating out, Netflix, new clothes, vacations. Things you enjoy but don't truly need. They make life fun but must be controlled. Step 4. 20% savings plus debt repayment. This is your future. Savings, investments, and paying off debts. It's what creates financial freedom over time. Step 5. Why this rule works. It's simple. It creates balance. You enjoy life, cover your needs, and still prepare for the future. No guilt, no confusion. Step 6. Adjusting the rule. If your income is tight, you might shift to 60-20-20 or even 70-20-10. The key is structure, not perfection. Adapt it to your reality. So now you know the 50-30-20 rule, the simplest way to budget for beginners. Which category do you struggle with the most? Needs, wants, or savings? Comment below. I'd love to hear your story. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Money Path for more easy money tips. Remember, money doesn't control you, you control money when you have a plan.